now to Krakow. We are at about 10 kilometers, and it's for meet Ola's friend, and his name is
Tomek, also known as Gruby, and who is going to teach us how to prepare typical Christmas cake and pierniczki, which would be like a gingerbread but with his special recipe. And for sure he's going also to surprise us with something else. So yeah, I cannot wait because he is making delicious sweets.
We left the flat at 5:30 p.m.
AM.
and a.m. and we
still
took
yesterday.
Ola on the road.
Yeah.
And there are Florian
Dzień dobry.
and Mathilde there, but she's sleeping. No.
No.
Guten Tag. There, Jordan,
Skoda.
our driver,
Yeah.
and me. So
That's
see you later.
We can do that.
When we arrived in Krakow, Tomek made us some pastries, tea and coffee. So we took the time to get to know each other. So what's the name for this?
This is babeczka z cynamonem, Polish name.
Okay.
It's yeast dog with cinnamon and sugar. It's very simple but very popular in my coffee place, kawiarnia.
Coffee place.
Coffee place. In Krakow 16 coffee place, in Silesia 4 place now. But we
But it
start
is
New
like
Year.
Lyconic
Yes,
or something?
Lyconic
okay.
bakery and coffee place.
And they are like sometimes organizing cruises all
Yes.
over. A to, nie, ale nie, to nie był ten rejs pokoju.
Tallship races.
It was the Tallship
Tallship
race.
races. I cooked this Zawisza Czarny
Oh.
2 months on the ocean and finished it in the New York. But this is very good job because 2 days I cook.
Uh-huh.
10 days not cook. Every people
Everyone is vomiting. Yeah, and
and
then
only finish it 2 weeks. People eat.
yeah.
So you make Laugen?
Laugen pretzel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Also here or?
Yes, yes.
Cool.
And my brother is a baker too. His name is Thomas. So
Oh, nice.
Testing.
My big, I don't know, is my big hero. Okay, hero is Johann Martin in the France, is confectionery chef.
yeah.
In Spain is Daniel Alvarez.
After these presentations, it was time to start the Makovic.
First step is sour wheat flour. Is for the yeast dough. Is inside is white flour, sugar, a little bit yeast, and milk. Milk is 40 degrees. Okay, let's start poppy seed filling. Filling?
The filling, the thing you
inside.
put inside.
Yes, filling, yes?
Yeah, I know what
Okay.
you mean.
Yeast work, but now prepare filling. It's poppy seed only. Take it here sugar and zmielić. Grind.
Grind like coffee.
First mixing sugar with poppy seed.
Na oko nie robisz?
Robię. Today for us I work with the whey. Normal I take it. I look at how look dough, how taste filling, but for you today is with whey.
With perfect proportions.
This is analog Thermomix. This machine is for my mother-in-law, present for me and for my wife. This type machine is my memories in my child time, because my mother every filling for the dumping only hand-made machine make it. And I stay confectionery because my mother very good baking and very good cook. I cook poppy seed with milk because poppy seed is bitter, and milk eliminate bitter taste in poppy seed. People normal cooked in the water, but this poppy seed is bitter.
You want to try?
Yeah. This is your first time?
Yeah.
You is new generation. Can you push? Not. Yes, not.
Yeah. But I'm afraid by my.
No worries, there is no
Do you like your fingers? In Poland now is popular blue poppy seed and white poppy seed.
But is there a difference in the taste? Or?
Yes, it's difference. White poppy seed is a little bit nuts taste, but blue poppy seed is blue poppy seed. It's not.
I'm very applicated in my task. Okay.
She made this really perfect.
Z nadzieniem takim kremowym, zapiekanym, tym takim na śmietance robionym.
Takie pastel.
Mhm.
Takie, właśnie.
Polish language is very easy, yes?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. No, I told you.
So,
Thank you very much. You're the best, my friend, in the kitchen. Next step is give it in filling nuts or almonds, walnuts and hazelnut. Oh, no, hazelnut is German. What English hazelnuts? Yes. And skin orange.
Okay.
With sugar cooked and cut. And raisins. And very important ingredients is alcohol. Only little bit for taste. Not too much. I like big nuts and mandarin filling. That's ready. Not too much orange skin because it's very strong taste.
Yeah.
I must feel this.
Artisan.
What is important for this filling? How you think?
And good repartition.
Honey.
Each
Honey.
Oh.
Honey, miód gdzie mamy? Yes. Polish honey. It's sweet and very important because connect every ingredients.
So only it's a bit.
This is for the important ingredient. This is bułka tarta, but is sweet sometimes crushed. It's inside. I give it because take it water and give me a little bit taste salt. And one Polish ecological eggs. Okay. 2 yolks in go. This is sour. 4 yolks. 1 egg. Butter, very important, not cold, room temperature. I give it one small, I don't know, szczypta, salt. Not give it faster because yeast and salt don't like. Salt kill it yeast.
Yeah,
And
kind of.
for the taste, sugar with vanilla.
Made by your own?
Yes,
I
this
also
is
made
normal.
it by my own.
I
by my
hate
own because-
vanillina sugar. It's
Yeah.
not good.
So
Not
how
good
do-
for the taste because it's
How do you make it? You just put like the vanilla sticks into
Yeah.
yes and sugar.
into sugar?
And I open flask and give it grains. Okay, and flour for the consistency. Not recipe because sometimes flour is strong, sometimes it's not too strong. But I give it only for dough. I must feel this dough. not too fast because temperature higher too much. Pieces for the one part cake, 100 grams. Important in the poppy seed cake is how many dough for the filling. 100 grams dough and 500 grams filling.
Okay. So 5 to 1.
Yes.
Okay.
And machine. 4 is poppy seed cake and 5 for the chałka. Chałka is Polish traditional bread.
Zgadzam się, tak.
From white flour bags.
Ah, but the big one.
Yes,
Okay.
it's very important. This not pergamene, because pergamene is very good, but not for this cake, because it's very ślisky,
Slippery.
slippery, and normal poppy seed cake need ring, but this paper is flat. All area must stay here because growing. And then only for the 30 degrees, half hour. I hope so much growing. Go to the window, open window. Faster. White chocolate.
Oh,
White chocolate.
okay.
Probably, yeah.
There is better.
You have to think of like a name tattoo with the cookie. So Florian, when you proposed to your girlfriend and decided to have a wedding, you know who to ask for a wedding.
Thank you.
And comes the most expected moment, the tasting.
Not too much nuts.
Oh, we did warm.
Warm? Okay, maybe in your
Okay, so now we are here with my friend Billy the Tree, and we have make a cook in Thomas' flat. We meet his wife, his son. It's a cool moment, and after we make a little trip in Krakow.
Yeah.
And now it's time to go back or to sleep here because it's very nice tree.
It was very enjoyable, very lovely and warm welcome from Thomas and his family, and we really enjoyed it. Thank you for that day.
How was your day, Mathilde?
Good.
And you, Ola?
great. It was amazing that after not seeing each other and only maintaining contact like via messages, we met with Grube, and it was just like as if we said bye yesterday and just continue the relationship. So yeah, the magic of scouting, and of course as always his sweets, the best.
Thank you for watching, and see you for another subject of video. It was a good day.
A day full of scout spirit.
Yeah. Ciao.
Okay, good night.